Peace Fabulous, it's Artabulous with another hair video. But before we get started, I want you guys to click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Also, follow me on Instagram at artabulous.life. Now let's get started. This video is the second part of the last video I did. I'll link it in the description so you guys can watch that one first. But this video will basically be me going more in depth about what I was saying before. So I talked about how natural hair girls would list a bunch of tips on growing natural hair. I also told you guys that I have tried all these tips and even more. For example, when they say drink more water, I drink at least 2 64-ounce bottles of alkaline water every single day. They also say keep your hair moisturized and in protective styles. I do the LCO method at least 3 times a week, and every wash week, which is every 2 weeks, I deep condition my hair. I also keep my hair in a braided bun or flat twist most of the time. Last time I checked, that was a protective style. And if you're new to my channel, I eat plant-based food, and I have been since I was born, so I'm pretty sure I'm eating healthy enough for my hair to grow as well. Plant-based food is very rich in protein and nutrients. In fact, the animals get their protein from eating the plants, so I'm getting mine straight from the source. One last thing the natural hair gurus say is to make sure you are using a good conditioner, to shampoo your hair often, and to avoid using heat. Now my mom makes her own conditioner that has every good thing you could think of in it, so we're good on that. And I also shampoo my hair every time I wash it. At some point I was shampooing my hair every week. I don't shampoo as often now because it's freezing cold where I live, which makes my hair dry already. For the avoid heat part, I don't avoid it, but I do minimize the amount of heat I use as much as possible. For example, I know a lot of people blow out their hair and then straighten it, but I just straighten my hair without the blowout. I also don't use super high temperatures on my hair. When I flat iron my hair, I just go to 380, so I don't even go anywhere near 400 degrees. In fact, I only flat iron my hair 3 times in my entire life. Anyway guys, I'm pretty healthy, my hair is healthy, and I do what the hair gurus tell us to do. So what's up? There's still a secret out there that is clear the gurus aren't telling us, and I am going to find it. Anyway, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on post notifications as well so you can be the first to see if I found anything on how to grow natural hair. I post every Friday. While you're at it, follow me on Instagram at artabulous.life to see even more of me. See you guys in the next video. Peace.